Hikvision AX PRO HUB main unit, and I'm sure you want to get to know it better before purchasing. Unfortunately, there are things to tell about it, plenty of things. Hikvision AX PRO HUB review on the People Systems Store channel. My name is Daniel, and we begin.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
AX PRO HUB. A lot of things to cover according to these graphics, but first things first. What is this AX PRO HUB? What transmission technology is used in it, and what are its features? The AX PRO HUB takes a central place in the system. It manages and maintains the two-side communication between you and all sensors, detectors, and peripherals that you throw into the system. The communication itself is performed over the radio waves on the 868 MHz frequency, common for modern wireless alarm systems. Hikvision are really proud of what they achieved in here. They call it Tri-X and Cam-X, the chips that execute the data transmission processes, where Tri-X maintains the common signals delivery, open, closed, tamper, thread, and others for as far as 2,000 meters, and the Cam-X is responsible for photos transmission from a PIR cam device that reaches 800 meters maximum, which is justified by the fact that photos are way heavier files, and this range is optimal to get you both speed and reach. And here's a little demo. The data protection is provided due to the AES 128 protocol encryption. The system features an anti-jamming scenarios, and about the transmission clarity and the interferences, Hikvision implemented such thing as frequencies hopping, allowing the system to automatically adjust frequencies for data transmission among 50 different channels to avoid the interferences. The design. Hikvision AX PRO HUB looks like how you would expect the alarm system's central unit to look. White, square form, neutral box made from a thick, glossy plastic on top and sides, which is pretty scratch-able, but the build feels really solid overall. The front panel is divided into two parts, where a top gray contains system status indicators, malfunctions, Ethernet status, armed or disarmed state, and the alarm. This big LED below is a power indicator, and here's the first difference of the hubs. Advanced M version in front of me has a tag reader built in it, which is indicated with this image, while the L version hub is just empty in here. So within the box, you have these RFID tags. They're simply put over the reader, you get the sound notification, and with this action, you can disarm the system, clear alarm messages, and etc. Now the back. The back is both a mounting bracket and the lid protecting the internal functional elements. This is the tamper switch, reset button, serial port 1 and 2, power in, Ethernet wire in, power switch, and 2 SIM card slots. The communication subject. We went through that the AX Hub has 2 chips built in for data transmission over radio frequencies. But concerning the communication with the user, in total with AX PRO you get 4 communication channels between you and the hub. This is a common wired Ethernet connection, Wi-Fi, and 2 SIM cards, both supporting 4G and 3G networks. Plus, the AX Hub is able to call you over the cellular network and even send you an SMS if there's no other way to reach you. Although what I just said is related to AX Hub M version only, because the younger L version has a single SIM card slot supporting GPRS, 2G networks only. The system's scale. The number of devices that you can connect to a single hub of the L version at once is 142 devices. For the larger M version hub, it is the 210 devices. That includes 96 wireless input appliances. This is the detectors, sensors, buttons, and wireless output devices, relays, and wall switches. Then you can get here 6 for wireless indoor and outdoor sounders or sirens, 4 wireless repeaters, or signal range extenders, 8 keypads and tag readers, and finally 48 key fobs and 48 RFID tags for 48 users, including 1 admin and 1 installer. In total, 210 different devices to connect to a single AX Pro hub at once that can be controlled by 48 users. Other features that should be mentioned: a voice prompt on the AX Pro hub. So yeah, it reports of every status change by the means of audio, system armed, disarmed, alarm event occurred, and many other minor ones.
Control panel is ready. System armed. System disarmed. Control panel fault.
Which is just comfortable to also get an audio confirmation. The next awesome feature is that the hub is able to send you a message and even call you over the cellular network if there are no other ways to reach you at the moment. Next up is the characteristic called the onboard IP camera integration. That means that there is a local storage in the AX Pro Hub M that is used to save 4 video clips with event recordings, each up to 7 seconds in length, from the connected IP cameras. Minor one, yes, but still, more security is always better. The activation and system use. This is a plug-and-play appliance, and therefore you start working with it right from out of the box. To do that, supply your hub with power and internet over the wires from the box. But don't close the lid. Switch the toggle to on position, and while it boots up, install a free HikConnect phone app. Wait till you see the indication and hub prompts that it's ready to work, and then from a HikConnect phone app, press plus icon, and here we scan its QR code, naming, and here it is ready to work. The last, but I think a certainly crucial feature here, is the network cameras integration. And yes, it was absolutely expected from the Hikvision, a video surveillance appliance manufacturer. But surprisingly, they didn't limit you with just Hikvision cameras. No, they allow you to get here any third-party cameras due to the UnVIF protocol. And basically, that means that you can get it to work with Access, Dahua, Uniview, and many other brands with many other cameras that are UnVIF compliant. And nowadays, almost every network camera is UnVIF compliant. And what you see now on the screen is how I log into the AX Pro Hub web interface, and there I add 2 Dahua cameras via UnVIF protocol. And I succeeded. Like this AX Pro Hub from Hikvision. Pre-order it on the People Systems store following this link or the one in the description. The global launch is very close. Now, thank you for watching.